Hey guys, Chris Wheeler, and today I'm showcasing the Colt 22 single action revolver. Ironically, this is the third time I recorded the video. This is the first time an ad stopped my recording. Second time I ran out of space, so I had to delete stuff, but I think this time will work. It's from around the 1930s, I believe. It was my great-grandpa's revolver. Somebody wiped all the bluing off of it. Specifically not gonna name names, but it was my Uncle Ray. Okay. But, another thing. This is old. I have something that's really new. It's the same thing, except it's Charter Arms and it's double action. 2022. Charter Arms, double action. Hold on, guys, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay.
What do you value, like something like that? Just a common chamber. I don't know, probably in the $50 range. I don't know. I mean, see, again, for the right guy, maybe that. But, like, half of that.
This one is really good. Comment down below which one you like more. Comment hashtag double if you like this. Comment hashtag single if you like that. Okay? And guys, that'll be the end of the video. Remember this and this. Okay. See you guys.